When I discovered Marten Machining, I discovered this was the place I wanted to set my roots in. And their partnership with mstc has given me the tools to make this a career.
Marten Machining is a research and development company that takes the customer's designs and their problems and does solutions on our CNC equipment to help them solve their problems in design or manufacturability. And we get to work together and do a lot of problem solving. Having employees come in with a great foundation is really important for them to be able to focus on taking processes and technologies to the next level and using all the resources we have available to provide the customer with new solutions to their problems.
The partnership that Marten Machining has with Mid-State, every department they want to improve themselves, day to day. Every day you're learning something new, so it's a constant educational experience throughout. No matter if you're in school or not, you're always learning something.
Going forward now, we need students that are exposed to that new technology and those new concepts to be able to keep applying those and taking it even further. The number of variables in the manufacturing process are infinite. The ability to pay attention to that detail and implement changes and tweaks, that's the type of process and engagement that's really rewarding here at Marten Machining. So we're looking for the type of people who obsess over the details, dig into how things work, how they are made, and take every little detail to their advantage to improve on what they're trying to do. That's what makes Marten Machining so great and contributes to its success.